Want to secure multiple PDF files with a password? All in one go? Whether you're protecting invoices, student records, or sensitive reports, Mailmergic.com makes it easy. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to password protect multiple PDFs automatically using an Excel file. Let's get started. Head over to Mailmergic.com and sign up for a free account. Once logged in, click Create Mail Merge to start. Drag and drop your PDF form into the upload area. In our example, we're using a student application form that should only be accessible by each individual student. Now upload your Excel file. It should contain all the personalized data for each recipient, including the passwords you want to apply. For example, you can use a column with last names or birth dates as passwords, or include a dedicated column with custom passwords you've defined yourself. The next step is optional, but it's great if you want to personalize your PDFs. In the editor, you'll see your PDF on the right and your data fields on the left. Want to insert custom data into the PDF? Just drag a placeholder like given names onto the PDF. These placeholders are automatically pulled from your Excel columns. Click Save and Next when you're done. Now here's the important part: securing your PDFs. Scroll down to the Password Protection section. In the first field, set a password required to open each PDF. You can type a fixed password or use placeholders like date of birth to set a unique password for every file. In the second field, set a password to restrict editing or printing. For example, type my secure password to prevent unauthorized changes. To remove password protection, just clear the fields or delete the placeholder. Click Generate PDF Files. Mailmergic will create a separate password-protected PDF for each row in your Excel sheet. Wait a few seconds, then download the zip file containing all your personalized and secured PDFs. Find the link to Mailmergic.com in the description below. If you like this video and leave a comment, we'll send you a free month on your subscription. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more PDF automation tips.